All right, good morning. Hey, it's Patrick Ryan with Sotheby's International Realty. This is a new listing alert. There is the ocean behind me, and there's the new listing. It's listed by Dick Stebbins, who's a colleague of mine at Sotheby's International Realty. And I just want to make people aware of this amazing listing here on Surf Avenue, which is a rarity in Pacific Grove. Not many come up here, and you are right near the water. Can hear it, probably. Let's take a look. All right, let's go into the home. It is almost 1,800 square feet on a lot that's over 8,000 square feet. Nice hardwood floors, little bay window thing. Looks like double pane windows. It's had some updates and it needs some updates, but the location is key right here on Surf Avenue. It's got a big backyard, which is not real common in Pacific Grove, although this is in the Beach Tract neighborhood, so you do get bigger lots here. And that in the back is a water catchment system where they catch water. So let's go through here. Got the kitchen, got the living room, the entry, stairs upstairs to a master bedroom with bedroom and bath, and then hardwood floors here. Nice and shiny. Hardwood floors throughout. Bathroom right there, got the older looking tile. So anyways, come on by and see this listing. I'll be here today from 3 to 5 and throughout the week. But if you want to get a preview of it, this is going to sell quick due to the location. And you're right by the water, and it's a wonderful street. You're right by the golf course as well. Anyways, take it easy. Talk to you later. Bye.